Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to download offline maps on Google Map. So let's get started the video. I start by opening Google Map. Now go to the top right of Google Maps and tap on your profile icon. Click on the offline maps option from here. Now select your own map. Then you have to choose the area you want to download. When downloading maps, it's going to take some space on your phone. Now click on download in the bottom. You will see that it's now downloading. If you click on these three dots, you will see some options here. You can rename the map or delete it. Also, if you click on the view, it will show you your map. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.